Alrighty guys, we're going to show you how to do a shoulder align today. We're going to use a MAZ 24R blade. So first we'll go cut by bitting, all keys search, and we'll type in MAZ 24R. Alrighty, so here it tells us to use the M5 clamp, side A with a shoulder align. Gives you a demonstration there as well, but we'll show you how to do it as well. Here is a MAZ 24R blade that we'll be using. This part here is your shoulder. This block here comes with the device. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use the clamp A side, pop this blade in, and then we're going to use this block. It's got the smaller side, which fits into this groove. Push it all the way up to the key, and then push the key up as far as we can, as long as it's straight, like that. And then we'll just clamp it there. Let me just pull this clamp out and give you guys a better look of that. Alrighty, we've got that out of the machine now. We've got our block here. We'll just slide that in like we did. And right there, you can see that matches straight up with that shoulder. And that's a shoulder align. Thank you guys. Alrighty guys, that's all I got for you today, and thanks for watching.